All right, good morning, cyber traders. Happy Friday. Welcome to the last day of the week. Good to see you all, everyone. Good to see everyone. Everyone's here ready to go. So we got a lot of good stuff going on. NASDAQ breaking all-time highs again. We're getting a lot of big runner-up. Every day is like, constantly just chipping away little by little by little. I'm finding that some of the brand name stocks, you just got to hold them, and they got a lot of shakes. But some of the day trading stocks have been doing phenomenal. We've been doing really well with all the aviation stocks, all the drone stocks have done really well. A little nervous on Joby right now, but Archer and all these other ones has just been doing great. So swing trading has been really good. And once again, it all starts from day trading. You see what happens over the course of the day, and it trickles into the swing trade. So before we start going into some of the stocks that we've traded that we're going to look going into this morning, because there are some really big stocks that are up about 100, 200% in pre-market, and some are getting destroyed. Let's go talk about what happened yesterday. So yesterday we did our open house really quick at 12 o'clock. And if you did miss it, you could always go back and review the recording of it. So if you want to learn a little bit more about level 3 and level 4, if you're watching on social media, I'll just give you the QR code on the top left-hand corner, or you could just click on this right there. Just take your phone, scan that QR code that's up there on the screen. And it's the same when it's on the top left-hand corner, right? But going through to the stocks that we traded yesterday, before we start going through Joby and everything else, Joby's been an animal lately. You could see what a big run up, 11 when we made this little Fausto flag, all the way up to 18. The problem with Joby right now, it went up a lot. It's got to probably back off a little bit before we really could justify if it's a really good support levels, but it just went up way up too much, too fast. Archer also did really well for us yesterday too, on a swing trade, hover right around $10 up to about $13.70, starting to back off a little bit in the morning hours, but that's okay. We'll see if it holds here from yesterday's resistance levels and support levels. That one did really well too. A couple other ones, PDYN. Another good, strong mover right there. She's still holding pretty strong, so I'm going to put this back on the watch list. PDYN. Nice move. Spread is a little bit big. Had decent volume. Not bad right there. QS, just another stock. Probably better than, Joby right now. This looks like the big move on the swing trade. So this company is not a quantum stock. It's really that makes batteries. So big stock's been doing phenomenal, and it's still holding pretty strong here. So I don't know who here got on the swing trade, but that stock is obviously doing absolute great right there. And we're going to put that back on our morning watch list. A few more I want to hit upon. ASPI, another stock that's been moving up pretty nicely, but it's taking a little profit taking. Gapped up a little bit big this morning. ASPI. What else we got? OKLO. All these nuclear stocks are doing pretty well again. That one, Irene, SMR was another one right there. All these nuclear stocks are obviously doing really well. Been a big fan of that. SMR is obviously doing the best out of them all, though. But just breaking all-time highs on the SMR. And what else we got? We got Irene, and also Irene's looking pretty damn strong. I'm putting this back on the watch list too. IREN, SMR. And Webull also did really well yesterday. Webull just literally popped from like 13 all the way in the after hours, just literally just took off. And I don't know. I don't know if this stock has something to do with Hood, because Hood just has not stopped at all. This stock has been such a great runner-up. Everyone it keeps talking about what's NVIDIA, what's Microsoft doing, all those stocks breaking all high ties. And then some people like, well, I heard of it, but I never thought of trading it. There's so many stocks out there that we trade here at Cyber Trade University with less risk, more reward. Some of these stocks are starting to get awfully expensive. So trying to find some cheaper ones out there, and that's how we end up finding these. So anyway, those stocks are doing pretty well. I did do a good video on Webull about a week and a half ago. So if you have not watched it, definitely get a chance to watch it. I do a lot of shorts on it. I'm not going to bombard you every day with all these videos, but if you had a chance to watch it again. All right, so let's go see what's going on and get ready for this morning. We got this one stock right here. So far we got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 stocks that we're going to roll over. Hold on, let me put Hood and Bull on the watch list. A couple other stocks that are moving in the pre-market and from yesterday. I think the stock obviously is an earnings announcements play because you could see it was after hours. But this stock is moving up pretty nicely right here. Regarding about orders, though, I wasn't too super excited with the orders. I was looking at level 4, and you can see the orders didn't look too good right here. So she's on a little bit of a downtrend. So I might pass on it right now. I'll put it on the B list, TELO. So we'll put that one there. BZAI has got a really nice spread, up 84%, 31 million shares. This is something more of what we like a little bit better. And as orders go, I see a couple orders here at 620, not really a lot. You can see it right there. Orders coming in here a little bit late. So not the greatest, but it's something. BZAI kind of flat. Like I said, it gapped up pretty big. It's not trending up. This one just literally unbelievable move the last couple of days. $2 stock hit up to 12 already. I guess this must have been an earnings announcement play. Something must have came out right around that 8:30 time frame. But what a big run on that one right there. And this one got a little bit better orders, but they're a little bit all over the place. You could see all these little orange lines right here: $9, $9.50, $10, $10.50. A couple of big buyers here at 8. So this one's not terrible. This one's not bad. I like this one a little bit better. MEIP. And we're still at just number 3. All right, this one is obviously gapped up and went back down. I saw that one earlier. Obviously not super, excited about that one. This one right here, flat, good spread, 25%, good volume, not really going anywhere in pre-market. TDTH, good volume, good spread, trending up a little bit. Long term is doing pretty well. You could see right here back in March, if you remember, we traded it. Stock went all the way to about $1.40 and came crashing down all the way down to 25 cents. So not really a fan of that when I see stuff like that. And losers, this stock is getting crushed. So the YHC had a good run up and boom, right back down. Terrible. LQR horse, not looking too well. This one just got crushed also, DPRO. Once again, probably another earnings announcement. SPRT, we trade that stock. No mercy at all with that stock. Just when you thought, like, maybe I'll average down, boom, it goes lower. How much lower could this stock go? You still can go 16 more points. I always say it all the time. New York Stock Exchange, you got the UAVS that's moving up pretty decent this morning. So that one, I'm seeing a lot of buyers are coming in. A lot more orders are here on the bid. Not too many sellers on the ask. You got one over here for $44,000 at $250. So that's about 50 cents away. That one's not terrible. I like that one a lot better. UAVS. And that was about it. I didn't see anything else that stand out and jumped out at me on this list. All right. So typical what else we got? Tesla's moving up nicely every day, little by little. NVIDIA moving up little by little every day. Palantir moving up little by little every day. So we're getting a little bit of pushes there. Bitcoin kind of flatline. I know they're going to be talking about in Congress regarding about U.S. being the crypto capital of the world. And that pretty much does it. All right. Anything I'm missing, cyber traders? Anything else? All right, so we got about 20 minutes before the market opens up, less than 20 minutes. So it is Friday. I know we just had a lot of you sign up yesterday to come and join our trading floor. Please make sure you talk to your education advisor. And if you have any questions, watch those videos that we gave you. Definitely get the NASDAQ total view like we told you. Understand how to read the right of the chart, to follow the orders, the algorithms, the high-frequency trades. And if you're in the room, please don't buy anything. You're only here to watch the other traders that we taught how they think for themselves, because that's the key, because you got to hit the button at the end of the day. If you're watching on social media, you're more than welcome to come and join us. We're here live all day long commentary. There's that little QR code. Take your phone, scan the QR code, and we're happy to join us. All right. In the meantime, if you did well already and it's a beautiful day here in New York, you know what? Remember, it's not a full-time job. Make your day's pay, go home. We'll see you back here on Monday. That's why we love this job, all right? You are your own boss. You can come and go whenever you please. No one you have to go check out with anybody. Just make your day's pay, and that's it. Good luck, everyone. And once again, almost I forgot to mention, Josh has put it in the room. Don't forget, we're going to talk about journals today. We're going to talk about news, and you got the phase 1 class. All right. So those are all the big topics we're going to be covering in today's class with Josh. So don't forget. So if you're not signed up for it, talk to education advisor or use the links that we gave you to get in there. All right. In the meantime, guys, good luck. Happy trading, everyone. We'll see you in about less than 20 minutes during when the market opens up to trade this open.